Question number one. What is the cause of biomagnification or bioaccumulation? Correct answer is option B. Argochlorinase. Question number two. Construction of the Qutub Minar, the world's tallest brick minaret, commenced in 1193 under the order of Dash, the founder of the Delhi Sultanate. Correct answer is option B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number three. Krishna Natham is a famous dance of which of the following state? Correct answer is option C. Kerala. Question number four. The Chief Election Commission of India holds the office for? Correct answer is option B. 65-year. Question number five. Oil zipper technology to remove oil spills in the ocean is developed by? Correct answer is option B. Question number six. The Union government has released a commemorative postage stamp to mark the century year of which is the apex institution on Fanna taxonomy in India? Correct answer is option A. Zoological Survey of India. Question number seven. Which bank launched India's first contactless mobile payment solution? Correct answer is option C. ICICI. Question number 8. The presence of ozone in the dash prevents sun's harmful ultraviolet UV radiation from reaching the Earth's surface. Correct answer is option C. Stratosphere. Question number 9. There are over dash calories in our lungs. Correct answer is option C. 400 millions. Question number 10. Dash is the first indigenous aircraft of India designed and built by HAL. Correct answer is option B. HF-24. Question number 11. A straight angle is equal to? Correct answer is option B. 180 degree. Question number 12. Pointing to the lady in the metro, Twinkle said she is the sister of the father of my mother's sons. Who is the lady to Twinkle? Correct answer is option C. Aunt. Question number 13. Which city hosted the first Indian International Science Festival 2015? Correct answer is option C. New Delhi. Question number 14. Which of the following may cause the breakdown of puree into lactic acid in our muscles? Correct answer is option B. Lack of oxygen. Question number 15. A blue, violet or red flavonoid pigment found in plants is due to the presence of? Correct answer is option B. Anthocyanin. Question number 16. Which of the following chemical reaction is always endothermic in nature? Correct answer is option B. Decomposition reaction. Question number 17. Yakshagana folk dance is associated with which Indian state? Correct answer is option B. Karnataka. Question number 18. Which among the following network topologies has the highest transmission speed? Correct answer is option A. LAN. Question number 19. India has the largest area under dash crop in the world. Correct answer is option A. Oil seeds. Question number 20. The longest chord in a circle is? Correct answer is option B. Diameter. Question number 21. Which mirror is preferred as a rear view wing mirror in vehicles because of its wider field of view? Correct answer is option A. Convex. Question number 22. Who among the following is was not associated with cricket? Correct answer is option D. Question number 23. Which of the following is the outermost part of the human skin? Correct answer is option A. Epidermis. Question number 24. Indian National Army was formed by? Correct answer is option A. Mohan Singh. Question number 25. Which company developed the Android OS, a mobile operating system software, in 2007? Correct answer is option B. Google Corp. Question number 27. Who among the following is famously known as the Haryana Hurricane? Correct answer is option B. Kapil Dev. Question number 27. Leukemia is a type of human disease which is? Correct answer is option A. A cancer of the white blood cells. Question number 28. Which of the following gases in air is responsible for the decoloration of brass? Correct answer is option A. Hydrogen sulfide. Question number 29. In 1831, electricity became visible for use in technology when dash created the electric dynamo. Correct answer is option C. Mitchell Faraday. Question number 30. In 2016, ISRO conducted the first satellite-based warning system trial for Indian Railways in? Correct answer is option C. Kolkata. Question number 31. What is geotropism? Correct answer is option A. Growth of plants in response to gravity. Question number 32. From which country is the fundamental duties of the Indian Constitution borrowed? Correct answer is option C. USSR. Question number 33. In India, the highest cricket ground above sea level lies in which state? Correct answer is option A. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 34. India-born Shiva Adhikari is associated with the invention of? Correct answer is option A. Email. Question number 35. Which of the following is not a rich sources of calcium? Correct answer is option D. Carrots. Question number 36. If the pH value of substance is lower than 7, it would be considered as? Correct answer is option C. Acid. Question number 37. In 2013, the first human liver was grown from stem cells in? Correct answer is option A. Japan. Question number 38. The color of solid iodine is? Correct answer is option C. Purplish grey to black. Question number 39. World Polio Day is observed on? Correct answer is option D. October 24. Question number 40. Control plus X in MS Word is used for? Correct answer is option A. Cut. Question number 41. DSL stands for in computer terms? Correct answer is option B. Digital subscriber line. Question number 42. SIM stands for? Correct answer is option D. Subscriber identity model. Question number 43. Basic democracy system came in? Correct answer is option B. May in 1959. Question number 44. Which of the following is the most powerful computer? Correct answer is option B. Supercomputer. Question number 45. Who use chemical fertilizer to dash the soil? Correct answer is option C. Enrich. Question number 46. What is the opposite of demolish? Correct answer is option C, build. Question number 47. What is needed to establish a network within 100-meter range? Correct answer is option A, LAN. Question number 48. LAC is a border among which countries? Correct answer is option A, China, India. Question number 49. Jaffna city is located in? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Question number 50. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? Correct answer is option A. Question number 51. Khatibul Anbiya is the title of which prophet? Correct answer is option D, Hazrat Ibrahim. Question number 52. Which is the largest natural freshwater lake in the subcontinent? Correct answer is option C, Volar Lake.